1, 2, 3. What's good? Welcome back to the 4th annual Halloween special of How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you how to do 10 creepy Halloween magic pranks. So if you're ready, hit the thumbs up button on the video and let's go. Okay, this first one is a scary Halloween prank that you can pull off at home. Check it out. Here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, all you need to pull this off at home is a scary face. You can just print this off online, then you're gonna tape it in place on the backup camera of someone's car, right in front of it. Make sure you use tape that will not damage the paint on the car. Once you have it taped in place, just wait for someone to get in the car, turn it on and put it in reverse, and then once the backup camera comes on, instead of seeing what's behind them, they'll see a creepy face and get a good Halloween scare. Okay, so we came down here to the basement because it's nice and dark and creepy. I have something to show you with my magic handkerchief right here. Okay, watch. If I just hold it like this, it kind of looks like it floats up into the air like this.
Okay.
Isn't that cool? Watch,
but freaks me out.
What's weird is actually what's underneath it. Look.
Whoa, that is creepy.
Isn't that cool?
No, it's creepy.
Okay, here is the secret to the magic floating zombie skull. Such a cool trick. This works exactly like the magic zombie ball trick that you saw me do in the Around the World video. Here is the secret. This is one that I've hesitated to reveal for a long time. That is the secret right there. It's a long metal rod that the fake skull is attached to that my thumb is sticking through just like that, and you're able to control it and make it look like it's just floating in midair. You can put it underneath and it looks like it's kind of like a magic ghost just floating around the room, kind of like it just has a mind of its own. Super cool. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving away the magic floating skull trick to one lucky comment. As you know, it is Halloween time, so I have a little pumpkin seed here. Have you ever seen how they grow pumpkins?
Maybe.
Alright, so check this out. I'm going to show you how they grow pumpkins. Watch, you take the little pumpkin seed like this, just put it down in your fist like that. Watch, if you just squeeze,
whoa!
it magically grows into a pumpkin.
Oh,
happy Halloween.
Awesome.
Okay, all you need to pull this one off at home is a pumpkin seed, a little sponge pumpkin. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm giving this away to one lucky comment. And this right here, a magic fake thumb tip. We have these available at EvanEraTV.com in adults and kids sizes. So head over to the link in the description if you do not have a magic thumb tip. You can do literally hundreds, maybe even thousands of different tricks with a thumb tip. And you can also win one in this week's giveaway. So stay tuned for the end of the video. So all you have to do is take the little sponge pumpkin. This is just like a sponge ball. You're just gonna conceal this in your hand before the trick starts. And you're also gonna conceal the thumb tip in your hand as well. Same hand as the pumpkin. So both of those go in your hand just like this, make a fist. You're then going to present your little pumpkin seed, place it into your hand. As you slip your hand into your fist, you're actually just going to slip the pumpkin seed and your thumb into the thumb tip as you pull it out. Then turn your hand over, open it up, and it looks like it's just magically grown into a little jack-o'-lantern. Okay, classic Halloween magic prank here. So check this out. Watch my head. 1, 2, 3. And it just falls down into my hand. And then 1, 2, 3. And go right back up. Just like that. I'll show you how to do that at home right now. Okay, here is the secret behind pulling off the magic head in the hands prank at home. Let me remove my jacket here. This is the apparatus that you will need. You can actually make this out of a hanger, a wire hanger. All you have to do is bend it into this shape, and you're gonna get some wooden dowel rods used for craft projects. You're gonna tape them on the ends just like this, and create this. It's like a mold of your shoulders, just like that. Take a sport coat or a jacket and put it over top of your mold, and you're gonna grab the bottom and use it to push up, just like this. At the same time, you're going to drop your head down and it looks like your head just magically falls off into your hand. It's a super fun Halloween magic prank that you can pull off at home with just a little bit of practice and setup. Okay, this one is a fun Halloween prank that you can set up. Stay tuned for the end of the video. We're giving these away to one lucky comment in the comment section down below. These are magic glowing tree eyes, so all you have to do is put these in a tree and it creates a spooky Halloween tree creature. So the eyes glow, they light up at night. All you have to do is hang them in the tree and the work is pretty much done for you. But the first step in the process is actually inflating the tree eyes. They actually come deflated like this with little pumps. You have to pump them up. Once you have them inflated, you're going to put them in a tree. You're going to take a piece of string and just put the eyes right up in the tree just like this. And position the eyes in place so that at night they glow and it looks like the tree is like a little creature. Okay, I have a really spooky trick to show you with this candle, so check it out. We're gonna sit the candle down on the table just like this and also have a pack of matches here. Take the match and light the candle just like this. Watch what happens. As the candle burns, it magically turns the wax red and produces a really cool Halloween look. So it looks super creepy. This is something that you could set out on a table in your house for a Halloween party, or something you could have on the table at a magic show, and it just kind of sets the tone, sets the mood. So the way this works is all built into the design of the candle. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win some of these. We're giving them away in time for Halloween. It's a normal white wax candle with red wax on the inside. You can see there it pooling up, and it begins to drip down the side of the candle once the candle is burned down for maybe 10 or 15 minutes. So it's really easy to do. All you have to do is light the candle, let it burn, and it will add a creepy effect to any Halloween magic show. Ooh, the ghost is floating. Magic. First things first, you're going to need a piece of white cloth that you can draw a little face on, a little ghost face right there. Then you're also going to need a balloon. So we've got one of our little Laugh at Life balloons here, and you just want to inflate it just a little bit because this is going to go inside the ghost to give him a body. Once you have the balloon loaded inside the little piece of fabric, all you have to do is run a rubber band around the bottom and you complete your little ghost. Now the next step is to set up the pumpkin. So this is how you have your pumpkin set up. You can have a carving in the front, put a candle inside, and you want to leave the top of the pumpkin open so that the light will shine up from inside it. Now here is what makes the little ghost float above the pumpkin. We have a little piece of black wire taped in place on the back of the pumpkin. You're gonna curve out like this and the ghost is gonna be attached right here. So in the dark, this black wire will be hidden and the glow of the pumpkin will illuminate the ghost, making it look like it's floating, it's levitating above the pumpkin. Super magical, spooky Halloween illusion. Okay, Sasha, I have a really cool Halloween trick to show you. I have a finger chopper. It's our magic finger chopper. This is our new product for EvanEraTV.com, and I wanted to show you how it works. So all you do is take your finger and you put it through the little chopper just like this.
No, is there a knife in there?
No, maybe. Ignore that little blade.
I really don't trust you.
It's fine, just go for it.
All right, here we go.
3, 2, 1. See? No harm done. I'll teach you how it's done right now. All right, Eva, hold your finger out to the magic finger chopper. Trust me. So it is an illusion. There's no real danger involved. This is not a real blade. Well, it's a real metal blade, but it never really even like touches your finger. It just goes right around your finger, just like this. So we slow it down, you can kind of see what's happening. As it contacts the top of your finger, the whole thing rotates, and it's actually not sharp, it's dull. And it kind of folds into itself, and it shows another blade down here. And then when you pull it up, it just reverses that same process. So it's super easy, self-working magic. All you do is insert your finger, push down, and it looks like the blade magically passes right through your finger without hurting it. A perfect Halloween gag, and we have them available now at EvanEraTV.com. So if you order now, you can get it in time for Halloween and freak out some of your friends and family with this fun magic prank. The secret to this one is to get a fake spider and some transparent string. Then you're going to get in an elevated position and you're going to wait for the right timing to drop the spider down and give someone a good Halloween scare. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win this fake spider so you can prank your friends and family on this Halloween. Alright, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment in the comment section down below with which magic prank was your favorite. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. If you want to win any of the magic tricks that you saw in the video, leave leave a comment in the comment section down below and let us know which trick was your favorite. And it's time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How to Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Congratulations to everyone that won that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing. If you won the giveaway, be sure to send an email with your full mailing address to this email address on the screen right here to claim your prize. You can see more of our Halloween videos from past years by clicking right up here. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. Happy Halloween.